Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we're looking at a 2008 New Holland BR7090 Xtra sweep in good condition. Let's look at some of the features on this round baler. First off, this 7090 produces 5x6 foot round bales and is equipped with a wide pickup with hydraulic lift plus 2 gauge wheels, along with a Bale Kicker, electronic bale counter, auto twine wrap control, and high float tires. This 7090 is powered by 1000 RPM power takeoff. Thank you for viewing this 2008 New Holland BR7090 Xtra sweep. If you are interested in this round baler and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 877-886-7010. And don't forget to check out our website at TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store, guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.